Not everyone wants to be a programmer, but you can still build a great career in tech without coding. Here are some high demand tech skills you can learn. Hello, amazing people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, please subscribe, like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video. In today's video, we'll be talking about some high demand tech skills you can learn without coding. So, number one I have on my list is UI UX design. You have to learn free design software like Figma, take free courses on YouTube and Coursera, then you apply for internship position and start replicating popular websites and mobile apps. UI UX designers earn between $500 to $5,000 per project. The next I have on my list is graphic design. Graphic design involves creating logos, flyers, and social media posts for businesses. You have to learn design softwares like Canva, CorelDRAW, or Photoshop. Then take YouTube tutorials and start replicating popular logos and flyers. You build your portfolio and start applying for internship or entry level position. Graphic designers earn around $1,000 to $3,000 per project. The next I have on my list is video editing. Video editing involves cutting and enhancing videos for TikTok, YouTube, or businesses. You'd have to learn softwares like Canva, Premiere Pro, or DaVinci Resolve. Take YouTube tutorials and practice editing famous videos. Video editors earn around $200 to $2,000 per project. The next I have on my list is digital marketing and social media marketing. So digital marketing and social media marketing involves helping business promote their products using Google, search engine optimization, social media channels, and email marketing. So how do you start without coding? You would have to learn social media management, understand search engine optimization, take free courses on Google Garage, and start managing small businesses social media for practice. Digital marketers and social media marketers earn around 100 to 500,000 naira per project. Which of these would you learn first? Drop it in the comment section and follow me for more tech tips and business tips. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit on that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you don't miss a video. See you in my next video.